Hmm?
Come again.
You cut go up so. Then you turn it.
Oh, yeah, cut it to the mass you made before?
Yeah. I made it over this. Then now you cut the up.
You have to be like a little space.
Right, where to bend under. So I make a fold. Oh, Jesus. Alright. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so.
And you cut the other side, or you cut the bottom too? Or you bottom half the other side?
Cut so. That's how you go fold on, right?
Yeah.
You
Cut the little feet.
right, so you're going to slant this stuff there, you go right round, so look.
Mm-hmm.
You go round, so right? Round. So you go slant this so. Okay?
Yes,
You go put it one. You put the fold it here. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
So here we go now. Round, around, 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 around,
Mm-hmm.
Right.
So how much of them that,
This is it. So this is it. So this is 2.
2?
I cut it look. Let me show you.
Mm. 4, 2, one side front and one side back. Cut the bottom piece.
Right. See?
The color nice
4
though.
pieces.
It almost look like Jamaican color.
Right. So this is 1 mass here. This is 1 mass here.
So 2 piece.
Right. Okay? If you want, you can use the same inside piece.
Or you can use different
Or you
color.
can use different, but me I use different color inside.
So you don't get mixed up. Well, they can't get mixed up because the
You
inside.
can just do it so and sew it and then open it. You get a mask. Understand? But me I put a different color inside here so.
Oh.
Right. So like
So
if
in
for
all of
instance,
4. So this would have be.
this is a 1, but me
So-
have different color going inside.
Okay, I understand.
So
now.
for instance, say me I put this
And you cut
inside.
that the same way, you know.
Same way I put it inside.
Okay.
Like so. Right?
Right. And then the part that would have fall over in the inside and
Inside
the part
will
the
be red.
outside.
You get me?
Me get
Right.
it.
So inside it gonna be red
Mm-hmm.
with this one here now. Right? I fold it
Then I
up
get
a
back
little.
the other piece right there with it.
You gotta do that different. I cut so much one time.
No, that's what I mean. The piece where they use a measure it.
Right, it's me ever so. Now one of them this.
Mm.
If no one, we can cut 4 pieces of this stuff. Understand?
Mm-hmm.
So for instance, yeah, the less work now, cut 4 this one time. Right? So you have to make sure say
It's even.
it's even. Okay? So say even.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Hey! Mommy?
Interesting.
same measurement that we have, it your cut. I already got your measurement already.
Right, and you cut a little distance from it.
The cut is the same size, because the same thing you already.
Oh, because you cut the distance already? Right, you cut distance already, so you cut the same.
Same size you already.
So all you have to do is just keep the measurement, and you don't have to do it over again.
Right. Go back to this here now. Right. As close
As possible.
as possible to the material with measurement we already have.
Right, because the two of them going to go together.
Right.
So it's two of this shape in this color and two of the red. So in all is 4 pieces. That's something every minute like you want to drop down.
Yeah.
The buckle.
And we just follow this here, go around the same way. This shape here.
Hmm?
Round and around. Get the same shape as right? And look at this. And this is it. So look, now we got.
So that's 4 pieces. This one is how much pieces? Right, so that's 4 pieces. You cut 1 time. So you put these 2 different colors together.
This is the back to this here.
So the other side, the other pretty color. No, the next 2. So now this is 2 masks, 2 pretty side and 2 red side. Because it's going to fold, it's going to be like a fold.
So we can sew this side here. Like a fold like this here.
So you can fold any side or just that side?
You can fold it on any side you want it on. So I want it on the pretty side. So when I open it like this here, it's going to be like so.
Right.
Understand? Because when I sew in here, then it opens so this side and be showing.
So the red side going to be outside?
Inside.
Or you're going to fold it over?
Yeah.